Hey guys, welcome back to the More HP YouTube channel. We're down here at the truck and trailer getting the car loaded up. Just one car. Unfortunately, mine's not going on this trip. But we are leaving first thing in the morning to head to Maryland for World Cup finals to compete in the stick class with the 69 Camaro. So if you guys want to follow along, we'll hopefully get a few videos posted this weekend. Click that subscribe button while this intro rolls. What is this?
We finally talked Dad into upgrading his Camaro.
I'd say this is definitely an upgrade.
I love it. Maybe you'll let me borrow it sometime.
Well, it looks like you just did borrow it.
Well, I had to wash it to borrow it.
Oh, well, it looks pretty clean.
Yeah.
So we've been on Jeffrey for a while to get rid of the Camaro
Hard.
because it's just not a very good pit vehicle.
No.
You can fit 2 people in it. That's about it.
Yeah.
So we couldn't think of anything better than a cammed 4-door CTSV as a pit vehicle. So hopefully he'll get rid of the Camaro now.
He can keep it, just as long as we got this now.
Yeah. It's pretty nice though.
Yeah, it's very nice.
6-speed. Got a cam already. Tuned pretty good. So it should do the trick to run us around while we're at the racetrack. That works.
Oh, we're videoing.
Yeah, we
Good deal.
all right, we got the new Cadillac loaded up. We got Steven's car loaded up, and we're ready to hit the road first thing in the morning. Except for Steven, he's actually not gonna be riding with us.
Somebody got to work.
He's actually gonna be the airplane queen and just fly in time for the race.
Okay, a plane
while
ticket was $47. A plane ticket was $47 to fly from here to Maryland.
While me and Jeff make the long trek from North Carolina all the way to Maryland. I'm just happy that I can be your pit crew. I mean,
I really appreciate it.
I hope I have the car ready for you to just hop off that airplane and just get in it and run a 7.
Yeah, the wheels could be polished if you get a chance when you get
Are
unloaded.
you kidding me right now?
No, they really could be polished.
They could be, but that ain't gonna happen. That wasn't part of this package you paid for. This concierge service.
Oh.
All right, so we'll see you guys in Maryland.